Hello, dear students. Children, do you know who is man's most faithful, loyal, and best friend? Yes, it's a dog. And how did dog become man's best friend? Let's find out in this folk tale how the dog found himself a new master. What is a folk tale? Folk tales are popular stories passed on from generation to generation. Your grandmother must have told you a story which her grandmother told her and which her grandmother's grandmother told her. So, in this way, folk tales passed on from generation to generation. So, in this folk tale, we have a dog, a wolf, a bear, a lion, and a human. Now, let's see the story how the dog found himself a new master. Once upon a time, dogs used to be their own masters. They used to live in freedom like wolves. Until a dog was born who was ill pleased. Ill pleased means unhappy. This dog was unhappy with the way of his life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself. That means he was sick, he was tired, he was unhappy of looking after himself and looking for food and being frightened. That means being scared by those animals who were stronger than him. So he thought about it and he decided that the best thing for him to do was that he becomes someone's servant, someone who is the strongest on this earth. So what did he do? He set out to find such a master. He started his journey to find such master who was strongest on this earth so that he could be protected. He doesn't have to look for food and all. So let's see one question. Why did the dog feel the need of a master? The dog was ill pleased with his way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about himself and looking for food, being frightened by stronger animals. So he decided to be servant of an animal who was stronger than anyone on this earth. Now let's see third paragraph. So this dog, what did he do? He walked and walked until he met a kinsman of his. Kinsman means relative. So who was his relative? It was a big wolf. Dogs and wolf, you must have noticed, they look similar because they are from same family. So this wolf, he was very strong and very fierce. Fierce means very frightening. He has very frightening appearance. He was violent. So this wolf asked the dog, "Where are you going, dog?" Dog told him, "I am looking for someone to take up service with." To take up service with means to become someone's servant. "Would you like to be my master?" Now the dog asked this wolf, "Would you like to be my master?" And wolf agreed at once. He said, "Why not?" And then two of them, they went together. And they walked and walked. And all of a sudden, what happened? This wolf, he stopped and he lifted his nose and sniffed. Sniffed means smelled. Animals have this habit of lifting their nose and smelling when they see a danger around. So this wolf, he sniffed and darted. Darted means move quickly, move very quickly. He quickly moved backward. He ran into the bushes. Bushes means grass. And he crept deeper. That means he went deeper inside the forest. Now the dog was surprised with this wolf's behavior. "What's come over you, master?" he asked. "What has happened to you? What has affected you? What has frightened you so? Why are you so scared?" Then the wolf replied, "Can't you see? There's a bear out there." So this was the reason the wolf was frightened. What was the reason? He saw a bear and he said, "This bear might eat both of us, you and me." Now the dog saw that bear was stronger than wolf and wolf was scared of bear. So since he wanted to be servant to the strongest animal, he left the wolf at once and he took up service with the bear. He asked the bear, can you be your master?" And the bear agreed at once. Now the bear said, "Let's go and find a herd of cows. Go and find a group of cows. I will kill one cow and then we both will eat it to full." So they walked and soon they saw a herd of cows. But just when they were about to attack them, they stopped because a terrible noise came. They heard a terrible noise. Terrible noise means horrible noise. And the cows were also moving, making noise. They were making loud noise and they were running here and there in panic. Panic means in fear. They were running in all directions. Now the bear, who was hiding behind a tree, he also ran away hastily. Hastily means in a hurry. He also ran away deep into the forest. What has happened? Before seeing that, let's see some questions. Who did he? He means the dog. First chose as his master. Why did he leave that master? So the dog first chose wolf as his master and he left the wolf because he saw that the wolf was scared of bear and he was not the strongest. So he left the wolf for bear. Who did he choose next? We have seen he chose the bear next, as he saw that bear was stronger than the wolf. Now let's see what happened next. Now why did I have to come here? Said he to the dog. Now the bear said, I came here. It's the place where lion rules. It's the part of the forest where there is lion. Now the dog asked, who is this lion? The bear said, don't you know? He is the strongest beast on the earth. He is the strongest animal on the earth. Then dog again said, okay, well then, I'll say goodbye to you, bear. Why? Because the dog wanted to be servant to the strongest beast on this earth. And the dog left the bear and he went to the lion to ask him to become his master. And lion also agreed. And now the dog stayed with lion and served him for a long time. And the dog was living a very good life with this lion because lion was the strongest beast in the forest and nobody dared to touch or offend. Offend means trouble this dog until he was with the lion. So there was a good life and there was no complaint as long as he was living with the lion. But one day, what happened? The two of them, they were walking side by side. Who? The dog and the lion. And where were they going? They were going towards the Bear Cliff. Bear Cliff means steep and high rocks. All of a sudden, lion stopped and he roared and he struck the ground. Struck the ground means patted the ground in anger. And he scratched the ground with his paws with such a force that there was a hole found. That means something was bothering this lion. Then this lion, he began to come back. He came backwards quietly. Now the dog was surprised again. He asked, what is it, master? Is there anything wrong? I smell a man coming this way. So the lion said that, I can smell a man. He's coming this way and we should run away. Otherwise we will be in trouble. Now the dog saw that this lion was also scared of someone. And he said goodbye to this master also. He said goodbye to lion. And he said, I want to be a master. I want a master who is stronger than anyone else on this earth. Now, the dog said goodbye to lion as well. And who was his next master? Before that, let's see a question. Why did he, that means the dog, serve the lion for a long time? The dog served the lion for a long time because there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion and no one dared to touch the dog and offend him. It was a good life with the lion. Now, at last, the dog went to join man and stayed with him and served him faithfully. So this happened long time ago. But till now, who is the most faithful and loyal servant to man? It's a dog. So man became dog's master forever. So who did he finally choose as his master and why? Finally, the dog chose human as his master. Human was the strongest and wisest. The dog became a faithful servant to man. So you see, children, how the dog became man's most faithful and loyal servant and best friend. This is how. What is the theme of this story? It's leadership, loyalty, faithfulness. What moral do we get from the story? That great people do not follow others. They lead and show way to others. And one should be faithful to those who help them in need. Let's quickly revise the story, starting with once there was an ill-pleased dog who got tired of looking for food and being frightened, set out to find a master and became servant to Wolf, but left him when he saw that Wolf was scared of bear. So after Bear, who was his master? Made Bear his master but left him when he saw that Bear was scared of Lion. So Lion was his master after Bear. Made Lion his master but left him when he saw that Lion was scared of Man. And finally, he became a faithful servant to Man. So students, this was the story how the dog found himself a new master. I hope you liked the story. If you like, please press like button and subscribe to my channel for more such stories. Thank you and goodbye for now.